Easy Math channel GCSE. I will focus in this video on two main subjects in fractions. First, the improper fractions and the mixed number and how we can change from each other. So watch the video and you will understand inshallah. Improper fractions and mixed numbers. Types of fractions. There are three types of fractions: proper fractions and improper fractions and mixed numbers. For the proper and improper fractions, there are two types: like fractions or like terms and unlike fractions. Now, definition for each type of a fraction. Proper fraction: the numerator is less than the denominator, example 3/4. Improper fraction: the numerator is greater than the denominator, example 11/8. And mixed number consisting of proper fraction and a whole number, example 5.5. Now in details, improper fractions. Again, definition for improper fraction, because we are focusing on improper fractions and how to change from them into mixed numbers. An improper fraction has a top number larger than or equal to the bottom number. Well, how to change from improper fractions to mixed numbers? Now look at this example. 12/5 is an improper fraction and we have to change from 12/5 into mixed number 2 and 2/5. So we can change by long division. 12/5, 12 is the divisor and 5 is the divisor. So 12/5 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. Now subtract 10 from 12 to get 2. So the ordering of the mixed numbers as follow to the result or the quotient number. Here I will write it and keep the same denominator without change, and the remainder is 2. We should put 2 in the top of this fraction. Okay, now take examples how to change from improper fraction to mixed numbers. We have here many examples of improper fractions. 16/6 and 16/6 equals 2 and 4/6. 12/5 equals 2 and 2/5. So all of these we can change from improper fraction into mixed number by long division. And the last one, 7/4 equals 1 and 3/4. Now let's work out this example. 7/4. Again, we can order long division as follow: the top number as dividend and the bottom number as divisor. So 7/4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. Now subtract 4 from 7 to get 3. So the ordering of the mixed number as follows: the quotient number 1 we have to write as a whole number, and the remainder number in the top or numerator of the fraction, and keep the same denominator without change. Another example, 7/3. Again, we have to do by long division. 7/3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now subtract 6 from 7 to get the number 1. Now the ordering of the mixed number, 2 is the answer, so we have to write as a whole number. The remainder is 1. Okay, let's check out this example. 16/6. I will use long division to change from improper fraction into mixed number. So I will write here the long division. We have to write the numerator number here as a dividend, and 6, the denominator, I will write in the digit of divisor. Now 16 over 6. How many 6 we have in 16? 3 or 2? We have only 2. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Now subtract 6 minus 2 equals 4. So we can we finished everything because 4 is less than 6, so we cannot divide again. So 4 is the remainder. I will write now the mixed number, the number in the top, this the whole number, and 4 in the top of the fraction because this is the remainder, and keep the same denominator as we discussed before. So we change from 16 over 6 into mixed number 2 and 4 over 6. How to change from mixed numbers to improper fractions? Now we have a rule, a mixed number a and b over c. If we want to change from a mixed number into improper fraction, we have to multiply a times c and add to them b over the same denominator. Take example 3, the mixed number 3 and 1 over 5 change to improper fraction. So we have to multiply 5 times 3 to get 15 and add to them 1. So 5 times 3 plus 1 equals 16 and keep the same denominator over 5. Now again take another example, 3 and 2 over 5. We call this method is a math. How to make a mixed number a math means multiply, order of operations, a means add, and d keep the same denominators. So we have steps again how to change from mixed number to improper fraction. Convert mixed number to improper fraction. We have first multiply denominator by the whole number. So we have to multiply 5 by 3. And next add the product to the numerator. After multiplying 3 times 5, we have to add them to 2. And last, the sum is the numerator for the improper fraction. The last step, keep the same and 1 over 4 and change to improper fraction. So we have to multiply here 3 times 4 and then add by using math method. So 3 times 4, this will be 3 times 4 times 4 plus 1, the numerator, over the same denominator 4. Now we will get the answer. 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 1 over 4, and the last step equals, we have to add 12 and 1 to get here I would write 13 over 4. This is the last